Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Let me move this one here, and there we go. We are doing Tron. Do you like Tron? Because yesterday we did a live stream because we had 10k subs. Thanks everybody for subscribing. I do appreciate it. We are growing. So we had this live stream and I asked, are there any Tron hodlers here? And there was plenty of people. So today we're doing a Tron update on YouTube to see what's actually happening. Great. Before we start, before we get into the charts, do check out the Telegram group. Nice community, 1,000 people. It's growing. Very supportive. A bunch of people. A lot of hodlers of Chili's and BitTorrent and Tron, so do go there to find like-minded people. Also check out the Patreon page. We do something that's called daily altcoins video. It's very interesting, it's very useful, so check it out. It might be something for you. That said, let's get into the charts and actually see what's actually happening with TRX Tron. So it looks nice. Yesterday people were panicking, you know why people are panicking yesterday? Because of this red candle over here. And then Bitcoin was going down by 0.0006% or something like that, I think. And everybody was like, oh, Bitcoin is pulling down the entire market. And then you go to look at the Bitcoin and it's like up at 65,000, 7,000, 70,000, 80, I don't know. It's high up, and people are panicking. So panic comes from the small time frame. So don't go into look what's actually happening on a 1-hour chart or a 30-minute chart and watch the chart every second. Like when you start looking at this, man, we're going down, we're crashing. No. We do technical analysis on the daily chart, and then once we do that for 5 minutes, we go and relax, watch some Netflix or whatever you want to do, play some games, and then tomorrow you can come also and see, oh look, another green candle, that's nice. And then tomorrow after that maybe it's gonna be red candle, but it's like, oh look, it held the support, nice, let's go to the beach, as a Coins Kid says. You put the money in and you go to the beach. That's okay. Let's go see what's actually happening. So actual technical analysis. So basically 3 days ago we broke this all-time high. I don't think this is all-time high, but it was some kind of high. We broke this high right over here, local high, with this candle over here. It was really nice candle, and the next candle will start going down. Of course people start panicking because they don't understand these things, and I'm telling you there is nothing to panic about. This is very, very bullish, because what happened, number one, we went to the wick down to the 10 moving average and said, there's a support, nice, let's go a little bit back up, and we went a little bit back up above this 0.13 line because this was previous resistance. Now let's test this if it can hold as support. We closed above this line. We don't care if this is red or green. What we care about if it's closing above 0.13 line. It did close about 0.13 line, and now all the traders and all the technical analysts and all the people who understand these things are like, well, that's very bullish. The bullish side is very bullish. There's more buyers than sellers. Good, let's go up. What happens today? We go up. Now it's green. And also we are following this trending line really nicely. Really nicely. I think this is a 4-hourly or weekly trending line. 4-hourly. You can see the trend line. It's so beautiful. It's very beautiful. Also, people don't understand that good technical analysis. They'll probably say, oh man, this is some kind of head and shoulders, we are going back. They're also panicking, because they are looking at this, something like this. Okay, I missed it. Let's start here, maybe somewhere down here, and make it a little better. So they're like, oh, this head and shoulders pattern. I don't know if you guys know what head and shoulders pattern is. Why don't I hit it? I even drew it worse than before. I don't think we should be doing this. Okay, let's start there. Now we got, no, why cannot do this? Okay, let's start other way around. It really doesn't matter what okay, whatever, like this. Okay, so it should actually be a little more there. Oh, you can move it like this. Okay, nice. So basically people are looking like, oh, this is head and shoulders pattern. That means that we are going to go down, and we never go down, because these head and shoulders pattern don't always work, and this wasn't actually any kind of start. It's actually start down here and stuff like that. Now I'm just confusing you. Nice trend line, looking good, climbing upstairs. Let's remove this dot over here and continue looking at the weekly chart. So right now it's looking very healthy. We're above all the moving averages. The Tron is just in the very start of the massive pull up, and I think the massive pull up will break all these resistances on upside. 0, 17, 20, 22. I think all of those are gonna be broken. Right now that's around 50% up, and after that, who knows how high it is gonna go. The reason I think that, because we had this correction already for this was 1 week correction, this red candle right over here, and now we are pushing upwards. So I think at least some kind of I mean, you cannot just go like 5% and start correcting, and it doesn't make sense, right? So I think the next move is gonna go all the way up here somewhere, and maybe stop around 22 or something like that. But it looks very nice because we had this consolidation period, we got above it, we retested the previous all-time high. So now the move is on the upside. What you should not be doing right now is going into the 5-minute chart something and watching every move, because just because it goes all the way to 158 and retraces maybe back to 140, it doesn't mean that this is bearish or something like that. As long as we are keeping this trend line to the upside on the 4-hourly chart, all is good. All is good. You can see it here. We want, number one, we want to keep this trend line going higher all the way up here. So latest 28th of April was today. So in a week or 2 times we should be hitting this target up here. How fast we're gonna be hitting, it kind of depends. Right now we are breaking this on the 4-hourly chart, so there might be some kind of a let me see, not this one, probably some kind of this, maybe some on the 4-hourly chart there might be some kind of a rising wedge, because on a daily there is none. There, well, technically there is, because you are not using these 2 tops over here, but they're just too close by. On the 4-hourly they might actually be. So what we are looking for now is not actually pump all the way up. We are looking to test again this line of horizontal line up here, maybe even do something like this, and then break up. But the breakout should break preferably this 0.17 line as well, and go further up. I might do something like this inside here and go up. So we're gonna check that out, but that's the 4-hourly chart. You want to only look at the daily chart, and daily chart says bullish. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see update tomorrow on what's happening with Tron. We're gonna watch it daily, see if it actually breaks out, and then when it actually breaks out and actually test that this is a real triangle, I want to say, yeah, I told you so. No, I don't want to actually do that. It does help with the confidence, but you know, that's it. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 10k subs. I want to pump those numbers before the bull run is over. Also like the video, because you know, YouTube algorithm knowledge bang. And the last thing, and I know that the people that are watching the last thing are like 10-15% of the people, check out the Patreon, guys. It is very helpful. If you have hard time picking the coins what you're gonna buy and sell, check out the Patreon. We got something called daily altcoins video. Do like 50 altcoins every single day, rank them up and stuff. It might actually help you. It's not expensive at all, and it is really beneficial for your trading. Thanks for that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.